Are you a new creator and you're thinking of how to get a clean sound? You know that no matter how quality your video is, if your sound is bad, people will not listen to it. And you said to yourself, and you need to get a clean sound and you don't have cash. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get a clean sound even without using microphone. It seems unbelievable, right? So today, I'm going to show you how it's been done. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please turn on the notification bell so that when I post new content, you will be the first person to see it. So let's go.
All you need to do is to go to your browser and search Adobe. Okay, let's go. I will I will open a new tab. I'll say Adobe Podcast. Now look at it here, Adobe Podcast. So this is how to search on it on Google. So once you see it, then you click on it. This is your Adobe Podcast. Now, if you don't have an account here, it's very easy. If you don't have an account here, it's very easy to create an account. And if you can see, I have already I have my own account. So I'll just continue, with my account. Now, if you have your email on it, you just continue with it. This is how it works. So if you notice my recent videos, their audio is very clean. Why? Because someone introduced me to this AI software, which is Adobe Podcast. It said you can also use this to enhance your video. Even if you don't use mic, also you can also use it. If you look at some of my videos, you have seen an improvement on my sound. My subscribers made me to understand that, bro, some of your sound is not that clean. You need to work on it. And I said, okay. So someone now introduced me to this, and this is how it works. So anytime I'm done with my editing, I will just export my video. I will just export only the audio out. So this is the enhancer. We have a lot of things here. If you look at the tools, now you see the enhancer, the studio. You can record and edit and enhance your browser. You can check your mic. You can fix microphone issues before recording. And if you want to record from it, you can also get the premium. So look at the plans to unlock more on Adobe. Look at the premium. You have your support for MP4 and MOV, bulk uploads to enhance, adjust trend and a natural sound, enhance up to 4 hours a day, file up to 1 gig, no download limit. No, this is the premium. If you want to get the premium, and the premium is $9. If you want to get the premium monthly, if you want to get it monthly, you can get it here for let's just say $10, now $9.99. So this is it. If you want to get the premium, this is the premium. Now you still have the opportunity to use it before you start paying. They will give you free to work on your sound. So all you have to do now is, since this is what I want to use, I'll click on it. But look at other things. You can still convert your audios to videos. You can see caption, put caption on your videos. It can also help. And you look at it, you can enhance your sound. So this is the particular thing that I'm discussing today. This is what I want to talk about today, that it can help you even if you record your sound outside. Now it can help you to enhance your sound, and it will make it very good. So let's go. So I'll click on it. This is an Adobe Podcast. Now let me show you the sample that was there before I will upload I'll show you the sample. Now look at this person here. Look at it.
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer on the Adobe Podcast, and I'm out here in front of some construction by the Adobe New York City Union Square office, and just recording this video to give you a sample to try out Enhanced Speech. Okay, so try turning it on.
Look at the ambient. Look at the sound. Well, your hand
Canceling out the background noise and enhancing my voice. So there's even more background noise now. You can hear this large generator turning on behind me. So hope you enjoy Enhanced Speech, and thanks for trying it out.
Okay, so this is it. So let me do my own now. Then I'll just go and check for my sound, which I've edited and I've exported the sound. So I'll come here. Where did I export it to? Let me say document. I think I have it here. Okay.
Imagine waking up.
Okay, let's see. Now I am uploading the audio. The essence is this is processing the sound. Once it's done, you will notice a great changes. So you can also record your videos without microphone. You go outside and record your videos. So once you are done with your edit, just export it in any software you're using, whether you're using Adobe Premiere or you are using DaVinci or you are using on CapCut. So once you are done, look at it. Now this is the I'll show you this. Now this is it. Now let me play it. Now this is the initial.
You're waking up seeing 50 million views of the Facebook post. It sounds crazy, right? I actually did it. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how my page that
You see, okay, you see that the sound is very bad. You can listen to it. The sound is very bad. Let me continue.
was struggling
Now, let me switch
no
to
views
hands.
to millions of views, millions of people watching my content. It is not easy, but it takes dedication and time to see that happening to your page. A lot of people are being discouraged once their videos are not picking in the first 1 week, 2.
Now, look at it, how beautiful, how clean the sound is. Even what I am recording now, once I'm done with the editing, I'll still take it to this place to get a clean sound. So once I'm done, this is where you will go. This is where you will click on. You click on the sound, you click on the download, you download it. So you take it back to your edits. You get the point. You understand? You take it back to your edit. Then you lay the sound under the sound you had before. So once it sync, then turn off that sound. You will now notice a very clean sound. Then you export. So this is how it works. So try it today. If it works, please drop your experience on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that when I post next video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.